On a single battery charge, you can typically complete a small to medium bathroom demolition with cordless demo tools if you manage tools and workflow carefully. Cordless tool battery life depends on battery amp-hour rating, tool power draw, and the duty cycle of use, so choose batteries with higher amp hours for longer runtime and match voltage to the tool for optimal efficiency. Use brushless motors where available because they reduce electrical losses and extend both runtime and tool life. They also run cooler, which preserves battery capacity over a project day. Stage work by sequencing the most power-intensive tasks first, such as tile and thinset removal so you get peak performance from a fresh battery, then shift to lower draw tasks like cleanup and detail sanding as charge drops. Rotate batteries and keep them warm on colder jobs because low temperature reduces effective capacity. Store spares in insulated pouches near your body or in a warm vehicle between uses. Carry a compact battery tester or watch tool amp draw to predict remaining runtime instead of guessing, and schedule short charging windows during breaks to top up cells if chargers and power are available. If runtime is marginal, swap in corded alternatives for continuous high-load tasks or use an on-site generator to run a fast charger to keep multiple batteries at working charge. Common mistakes include underestimating duty cycle and draining the only battery mid-task. Prevent this by always bringing at least 2 spare batteries and planning work in segments so you can swap without stopping. Another issue is using standard batteries on brushless tools that demand higher current, which causes excessive voltage sag. Solve this by matching high amp-hour batteries rated for the tool or using the manufacturer recommended high discharge packs. A third problem is poor battery care, where heat, deep discharge, or improper storage reduces usable capacity. Avoid this by charging to about 80% for storage longer than a day, keeping cells out of extreme heat, and following manufacturer charging cycles to prolong life. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare options for jobs like bathroom demo and tile removal. We also connect contractors to homeowners and host a discussion community where we share real field tips, battery management advice, and workflow strategies.